Hi, if you've landed on this page, you're obviously looking for furniture repairs in Edgeware. You've come to the right place. The Fix It Factory repairs all types of furniture, whether that be chairs, cabinetry, or tables, desks, etc., or replacing mouldings that have been knocked off. So can find a new piece, make it to a particular specification and then rematch it with the existing color or completely redo it, whichever needs to be done. This is like a reception table, and this is just some of the surfaces being taken off, the varnish or the French polish being taken off tables and then re-varnishing or re-French polishing. The Fix It Factory is based near the Palms, and we have over 40 5-star reviews. There are free quotations available. If you click the links somewhere on this video or in the description below, that will take you to the website. You can learn more of the other types of things that we fix, but we pretty specialize in furniture and do a lot of work with furniture. This stall here needs again resurfacing, and you can see the sorts of results that we can produce for you. So click the link, go through to the website, take a photo of the item that you want a quotation on. As to say, it's a free quotation. We're also open Saturday afternoons for quotations on items, but you can get one online if you give us a good few photographs. So thank you for your interest, and we can solve your furniture repairs in Edgeware.